And we back. Oh, I miss you. I miss you all so much. Let's catch up. Where did we get to? Na, 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 na. Oh, I'm glad you like the fact, Ursa. I love that one too. Kind of magical. Grew up with the horror movies, rented It when I was 8, so I don't really scare anything with dolls and clowns, something over their faces, I'm guessing. That's kind of meant to be, right? Absolutely meant to be that way. Coffee's not doing its job today. Oh, Mama Lee. You'll get a nap soon. Hey, Pope. You like that fact? It's a good fact, right? Hi, everybody. Maggie McMeganstein. Little handshake for Pope. Love that. Ben and Blankie's calling me back. Get some rest, Lady Lee. You absolutely deserve it. We love you lots. Is water wet? Yes. Deleted the phone numbers, all the Germans I know in my phone now. It's hands-free. Wow. Wow. Thank you for the hydrate, Cozy Dragon. I will do that in just a second. Thank you for the welcome backs. How often do you change the break fact? Every stream is always related to the thing that I'm making, as much as I can. But I do want every stream, so there is a new fact every Saturday and Sunday, 10 AM till 2 PM UK time. There is always a fact at 12, or around about 12. Depends on how much my mods are bullying me to take a break. So yeah, I try and figure out things that I want to make, and then yeah, we've had some interesting facts over the years. Maybe I'll make another channel on the Discord and we'll put all the different facts over the years. What am I saying? Hasn't even been a year yet. That's a classic dad joke. My dog has no nose. How does he smell? Awful. That'd be great. You'd like that, huh? Okay. Would someone like to pop that in the streams, in the Discord channel suggestions bit in the Discord? That would be amazing. Because you know me. Break facts are all cool. Thanks, Plink. I appreciate that. We've had some fun ones. But the thing is, because I usually do them via, I like put them together on my iPad just because I've got the template on there. And then I email them to myself. So I have every single one that I've used. But speaking of, or I'm saying years and years of streaming, I haven't actually reached a year yet. But I will be reaching a year on February 5th, I believe, which is a Sunday. So there will be a stream for the year anniversary. I have no idea what we're gonna do for it. Dog has no nose. How does he smell? He can't. I just said he had no nose. It's really insensitive for me. Bullying. I prefer to call that thing aggressively enforced self-care. What, bullying me into the break? Yes. I pop it in mod chat. Yeah, whatever works. Whatever works. But as long as I have a remember. As long as I have a good remember, it'll be fine. But thank you for that, Aflab. I did see the birthday one as well, which I can ask actually, folks. Anyone who's in the Discord, would you like it if we had a birthday channel where we can all pop our birthday dates in, and then we can celebrate birthdays together? I know that birthdays are not everybody's favourite, so I completely understand if you didn't want to be involved. But if you'd like to celebrate with people for their birthdays, let me know. We can add that in. Yeah. Okay. Did you hear about the cheese factory that exploded in France? There was nothing left but debris. Let's do it. Good. Okay. That is another thing we will add into there as well then. Come along and join the Discord. It's lovely. Oh, and what I was saying about YouTube earlier, I actually managed to get like over 200 subscribers on YouTube, which is wild. So thank you for that. If you don't have time to hang out and watch the stream, or have 4 hours spare to watch the VOD, which is completely understandable, you can catch a time lapse of the things that I'm making. So in super duper quick time, 4 hours of stream in about 7 or 8 minutes on my YouTube channel. If you consider subscribing, I'd really appreciate it, because I'd love to just continue adding more fun content and stuff on there. And I also do secret singing. Shh. Managed to confuse myself, not hard, admittedly, in my tweet about Ursa Major and Ursa Major and Ursa Minor. I stated that I already called a bear Ursa, but I don't appear to have actually done so. Ooh, secret bear. See, when no one turns up at my door with a fire and demanding my date of birth, that sounds fine. Nah, I have better ways. If that happened to me, I'd be like, oh wow, a talking gun. Boss told me to have a good day, so I went home. Got some good dad jokes, Nightbot. Good job. You like that one? That's good. That was a good joke. That is the kind of joke that I feel would come from you as well, Bob. It's got Bob vibes. You're stealing it. Go for it. The joke is yours. In fact, when you say I'm stealing it, do you really mean that the next time someone tells you to have a good day, you're just going to leave work? 3 admin done. Yes, Green. You're kicking butt today. Exactly. Alright, I'm off. I can totally imagine you doing it as well. 2 fish in a tank, one says to the other, so how do we drive this thing? I love that one. It's a classic.